beautiful fam. Welcome to my channel, Princess Beyond Passions. My name is Princess and I am your host. In this video, I'll be talking about how to use your voice of faith to defeat or to conquer your fears. I am very much aware that you have heard the word faith and the word fear before. And you know the meaning of those words. Please don't be tempted into thinking that I am about to preach religion to you, because these words are more, circulated in the religious circles. But these are words that we encounter every day. So I am just going to talk to you about how to use them to your own benefit. Let's take a quick look at the meaning of both words. Faith. Faith means to have complete trust, confidence in someone, in something, or in a concept. While in the religious circles, faith means to have a strong belief in the doctrines of a religion based on spiritual conviction rather than proof, right? Fear, on the other hand, means an unpleasant emotion that is caused by the threat of danger, pain, or harm. So when you are fearful of something, it means that that thing could be dangerous, it could be harmful, and it could cause you pain. It could be painful. It could also mean that it's just a threat, or that you might have some false expectations appearing real to you. F-E-A-R, false expectations appearing real. But fear is normal because our brains are wired, to be fearful. Based on the things we hear, the things we see, it's just normal, human to be fearful because that is the way our brains are wired. But we can control some of those fears, if not all. I'd like to thank all my returning subscribers, and you guys are the real MVPs. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, share it so it will benefit other people. Comment in the section below. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Please do not pass by without smashing that red button that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all. It will help you to stay connected for more of my uploads. Okay. It is possible that you have heard a lot of talks about fear and faith, but this video will help you to see fear and faith for what they truly are. So instead of being fearful of something, look for the opposite of that thing and consciously let your voice of faith speak over that fear, like a voiceover. Faith is a security against fear. As I say the following things, please make a conscious effort to courageously face your fears squarely. Put on your faith. Let's do this. We can do this. So, number one, the fear of curses and thinking that ancestral misfortunes are following you about. Instead of having that fear or harboring the fear of curses and thinking that ancestral misfortunes are following you about, why not use your faith and speak blessings into your own life? Be confident enough to break those thoughts. Those thoughts of being overcome by misfortunes, of being overcome by ancestral misfortunes. Use your faith and break those thoughts. and speak blessings upon blessings into your life every day. You have a choice to pick up the fortunes of your life by engaging your faith instead of fear. And needless to say, you need to be doing something while exercising faith. You need to be working, because faith without works is dead. So have faith, not fear. Likewise, when you exercise fear, you are also doing something, except that this time around you are doing something negative, and you are most likely to attract those things that you fear onto yourself, because fear is a negative energy, while faith is a positive energy. Okay? Number 2, fear of rejection. Instead of harboring the fear of rejection, tell yourself that you are accepted, that you are loved, that you are favored. Because truly, you are loved. You have loved ones all around you. You have people who like you. You have people who just love you for who you are. Yes, you have people who also don't like you, and people who don't love you, because you cannot be loved by everybody, right? But tell yourself the truth and say yes, that there are people who love you for who you are. So, to be rejected is a different thing from harboring the fear of being rejected. I am saying to you, do not harbor the fear of being rejected. If you are harboring the fear of being rejected, it would appear that you are acting in the future, probably because you had been rejected before and you know how painful it is. So you harbor that fear of it happening again. But remember that faith is now. Now is faith. So use this faith that is now to counter that fear that is in the future, that fear that this is going to come to you. Use your faith that is now. Faith is now. Faith is acting now. Use your faith to counter your fear. Number 3, the fear of failure. Instead of having the fear of failure, accept the faith that you will succeed in whatever you do. And if you try and fail and try and fail again, don't let the fear of failing again stop you from trying again. Keep on trying, and soon enough you will sing the song of victory. You cannot say because you have tried before and then you have failed, therefore you are not going to try again. Keep on trying and keep on trying and keep on trying. Soon enough, you will succeed. So use your faith over that fear of failure. Number 4, the fear of losing. Instead of having the fear of losing, have the faith and accept the faith that you can actually win. Because you don't lose every time. You don't lose everything, right? You actually win some. You lose some, you win some, right? So, harbor the faith instead of fear that you are going to actually win some. Do not let that fear hold you down. Tell yourself that you can win this particular one. Work towards it. Work towards winning it. And you can actually win it. Now, number 5, the fear of sickness or poor health or illness. Instead of having the fear of sickness, speak out the words through faith and believe that you will be in good health. Believe that you are in good health. Now, there are people who believe that one illness or the other killed their parents, or their siblings, or their loved ones, or their friends, or people around them. Right? and that illness or sickness or whatever it is also coming after them to take their own lives. Instead of living life like that, use your faith and conquer that fear of sickness. If the sickness is hereditary, for instance, and you think that it's going to come to you because it's in the family, why not begin to do something about it now? Faith is now. Why not begin to do something about it now so that it will not occur, it will not come to pass in your life? Use your faith against the fear of illness or sickness or ill health. If you keep sending out the negative vibes, if you keep sending out the fear that you are going to contract a disease or that this disease is going to kill you, if you keep sending out that fear, soon enough you will attract it to yourself. So why don't you break that circle and speak excellent health and life through faith into your own life? This is the first part of this video, and I'll bring you the next part in my next video. Remember to speak faith over those fears. See you in my next video. Bye bye.